Hi everyone. In this session, we are going to learn arithmetic operators. In Java, arithmetic operators are used to perform various mathematical operations on variables or values. Let's go through them. Plus operator. It is used for addition. It also combines two values. If we add the values 3 and 5 and prints the result, it will give us total 3 and 5, which is 8. If we try it with more complex numbers, it will give the right result again. Let me write larger numbers in here. It gave me the right total again. Now let's check minus operator. It is used for subtraction. It subtracts the right operand from the left operand. We can subtract 5 from 10, and run the code. It gives 5, which is the correct result. Now let's check multiplication operator. It is used for multiplication. It multiplies the values of the operands. Now let's multiply 6 and 7. Okay, let's run the code. We see the new result has been added to existing ones. We can try it with more complex number to see how cool it is. I am just copying this code and paste it to the new line, and changing these numbers with bigger numbers then, run the code. No matter how large the numbers we use, Java behaves like a calculator. Now let's check division operator. It is used for division. It divides the left operand by the right operand. I'm copying the same code here. Then I will change inside. We can use it with 60 and 10. The result will be 6. Now, let's check the last one. Modulus operator. It is used for finding the remainder after division. It returns the remainder when the left operand is divided by the right operand. I am copying and pasting the code, and we'll change inside of it again. In this example, 6 is divisible to 3, right? Nothing left, so remainder will be 0. But let's divide it with 4. It will give the remainder after division, which is 2. So basically, we can use Java as a mini calculator. Now we are going to make a practice how we can use them, but we are going to use variables this time. Let me comment out what we did before, not to see them on the console. Now let's say we have book and cost of the book is 30.99. We can use double in here because we store a decimal number. We can give a name as book cost. And it was $30.99. And another book and its cost is $19.90. I will give a name as second book cost. Now, if we print their total cost by using plus operator, to be able to print this variables, I need to write their name with plus operator. Output will be 50.89. But let's say the cost of the second book has been changed to $25.90. In this case, we just need to change this variable. And calculation will change automatically. If we think hundreds books and cost of some of them change, we just need to change them on variables. The total cost will change accordingly. As you can see, the output has been updated based on changes. This turns the code into a mini calculator for solving real-world problems. Next session, we are going to delve into another important data type, Boolean. Thanks for watching.